I live at 11,500 feet and a lot of dirt to carry up.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, I changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you care, boy. That was hard to find.
Let's go.
Feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings.
Good job.
I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings?
Checking in. We just got done finishing our second day here in Cusco. For everybody that's been a part of this, you guys have worked so hard. It's been incredible. Some of you have gotten a little more sick than others, myself included. The altitude is no joke. But this school that is being developed right now is incredible. You saw the big water tank that we got. It's huge. It's going to be able to supply these kids with running water.
Push me away, I wanna stay.